Welcome back to Darkness Travels. So Tuesday's video, we had I installed the Google Nest for the first time on YouTube that I've seen. So today I want to give you kind of a review and some of the pros, because I haven't run across any cons yet, and show you what a video looks like on the Google Nest when it's attached to the door of the RV. So this is the Google Nest. One thing I do want to mention is the fact that they only had white. So I spray painted it gray because it matches the mothership. So if anyone was asking, they don't come in different colors for the exterior as of the moment when I ordered them. I do like the compact size of the Nest camera on the RV. So on that note, right here, I'm going to show you a couple clips of the Google Nest and show you how clear the footage is. Yeah, that was pretty clear, wasn't it? So that's the one good thing. You can pay for extra Google services if you want. I don't pay for them. Each clip that the alarm detects a face, an animal, or any kind of movement lasts up to 3 hours. Now, when you link this into your Google Nest, it sets an alarm. And since I worked on loss prevention for 4 years, I know what alarms are, bookmarks are. These are alarms that go off when it detects an unfamiliar face. It actually has facial detection. So if it keeps detecting the same face, it's not gonna trigger the camera, which is cool, because like Maria comes outside sometimes, or I'm going outside, I don't need it to pick me up. So that's really cool. Up to 3 hours. So if you go to an event after it's been triggered, you can download the video, just like I showed you the videos clips. You can download that to your phone, upload it to Google Photos, and have a hard copy of it. Someone steals your Google Nest camera, they will replace it for free. So that's another pro. I like the security of having a camera for when we boondock or we go to these shady Walmarts in some places in the United States. We have that extra security. Yes, we have the door locked. Yes, we have a wiener dog that likes to bark at everything. And yes, I have means to protect me, but I'd like to be alarmed beforehand. So those are my pros to the Google Nest camera installed on the RV. If you have any questions or comments how to install, or any other questions about the Google Nest camera, leave me a comment below or shoot me a message on social media. I'd be more than happy to answer any questions you have. Thanks for stopping by the channel. Thanks for subscribing. Head on over to timeeaglefiction.com/blog to see where we are currently, or in our past or present. Check out some of my fiction to support the channel, and hit that subscribe button below and that alert button. Thank you so much.